Are you tired of trying every diet and every workout but your belly fat just won't go away? You're not alone. Most people give up before they even see results, not because they're lazy but because they don't have a plan that actually works. Today that changes. Welcome to the 14-Day Lose Belly Fat Challenge, a home workout program designed to help you finally burn that stubborn fat, tighten your core and feel confident in your body again. The best part? There's no jumping, no equipment and no excuses. Whether you're a beginner or restarting your fitness journey, this challenge is for you. Every move in this workout is low impact but highly effective. We'll focus on controlled muscle activating exercises that build your core strength and boost fat burning, all while being easy on your joints. In just 10 minutes a day, you'll start feeling the change. Your energy will rise, your posture will improve, and your waistline will begin to shrink. You don't need a gym. You don't need fancy machines. All you need is your determination and a little bit of space. Here's the secret most people never tell you: it's not about how fast you move, it's about how consistently you move. These next 14 days are not just about losing belly fat, they're about building discipline, self-confidence, and control over your body. And trust me, if you stay with me till the end of this video and commit to showing up every day, you'll not only see results in the mirror, you'll feel a transformation inside. So get ready to sweat smart, not hard. Tighten your abs, activate your metabolism, and feel your body changing one rep at a time. Don't skip a single day, because every minute you spend here is an investment in the best version of yourself. Are you ready? Grab your mat, take a deep breath, and let's begin day 1 of your 14-day Lose Belly Fat Challenge. This is your time. Your body, your transformation, your journey, and it starts right now. Exercise 1, Standing Side Crunch. Alright, let's begin our first move, the standing side crunch. Stand tall with your feet shoulder width apart. Place your hands lightly behind your head, elbows wide. Now bring your right knee up toward your right elbow, crunch through your side, and return to the starting position. Good, now switch sides, left knee to left elbow. Keep the movement controlled, not rushed. You're not just moving your body, you're activating your obliques, the muscles along your waistline that help shape and tighten your belly. Breathe out as you crunch, breathe in as you come back up. Focus on the squeeze, that's where the magic happens. Every time you contract your side, you're burning fat and strengthening your core. Stay upright, don't hunch over. Imagine pulling your ribcage down toward your hip. That mind-muscle connection makes all the difference. If you're feeling your sides heat up, that's perfect. That's your body waking up, your metabolism kicking in, your fat-burning engine turning on. Remember, this is a no-jumping workout, but that doesn't mean it's easy. We're sculpting, tightening, and strengthening with pure control. Keep going, knee to elbow crunch, release. You've got 10 seconds left, stay with me. Every rep counts. Every rep gets you closer to that flat, firm belly you want. Amazing work, you just completed your first exercise of the challenge. Feel that burn? That's the start of your transformation. Take a short 10-second rest, grab a deep breath, and get ready. We're going to turn that fire into results in the next move. Exercise 2, Seated Knee Pull-ins. Great job completing your first exercise. Now let's target that lower belly, one of the most stubborn areas to tone. Sit down on your mat, lean back slightly, and place your hands behind you for support. Keep your chest open and your core tight. Now extend your legs out straight, and as you breathe out, pull your knees toward your chest. Squeeze your abs as tight as you can, feel that contraction. Then slowly extend your legs again without letting them touch the floor. That's it. Controlled movements and squeeze out and stretch. This exercise might look simple, but it's powerful. It directly works the lower part of your abs, helping to melt belly fat and strengthen your core. The key here is control, don't rush it. The slower you move, the deeper your muscles engage. Breathe with every motion. Exhale as you pull your knees in, inhale as you stretch your legs out. Keep your shoulders relaxed and your chest lifted, you're not just moving your legs, you're sculpting your core. If it's burning, that's a good sign. That means your muscles are firing up. You're not just exercising, you're transforming. Keep going, pull and extend out. You're doing amazing. Just 10 more seconds. Keep your focus, feel your abs working. Don't drop your legs, stay strong, stay committed. Awesome job, you've just attacked the lower belly, the toughest spot for most people. Take a deep breath, grab a quick sip of water if needed, and get ready. Exercise 3, leg drops. You're doing amazing. Now it's time to really challenge that lower belly with one of the most effective moves, leg drops. Lie down flat on your back, arms by your sides, palms facing down for support. Bring both legs straight up toward the ceiling, feet together, toes pointed. Now slowly lower your legs down, keeping them straight until they're just a few inches above the floor. Then bring them back up to the top. That's 1 rep, simple but incredibly powerful. Here's the key, don't let your lower back lift off the mat. Keep your abs pulled in tight like you're zipping up your core. As you lower your legs, inhale deeply. As you raise them back up, exhale and squeeze your abs hard. Don't rush, slow controlled movements build strength and burn more fat than fast sloppy reps. Feel your lower abs engage with every drop and lift. It's normal to feel your core shaking, that's your muscles working. That burn means progress. If you need a slight modification, bend your knees a little but don't stop. Stay in motion even if you go slower. What matters is consistency. Keep your focus. You're training your core, building strength and sculpting that flat stomach. You're stronger than you think. Incredible work. You just completed one of the most effective core exercises there is. Take a deep breath, you've earned it. Now get ready, because up next we're targeting your side abs. Exercise 4, heel touches. You're doing amazing so far. Your core is fired up, your energy is building, and now it's time to shape and define your side abs with heel touches. Lie flat on your back again, knees bent, feet flat on the floor and arms by your sides. Now lift your shoulders slightly off the mat, not too high, just enough to engage your abs. From here, reach your right hand toward your right heel, then your left hand toward your left heel, side to side. This isn't just a small movement, it's a controlled waist sculpting move that targets your obliques, tightening your sides and helping define your waistline. Keep your core tight and your neck relaxed. Don't pull with your arms, move from your ribs and waist. Breathe naturally, short exhales with every touch, and keep that rhythm steady. You're not just touching your heels, you're shaping your midsection with every single rep. Feel that squeeze on both sides, that's your core working hard to create that toned, lean shape you're after. Keep going side to side. Don't stop. You're halfway there. The burn you're feeling right now? That's progress. That's your body transforming. Stay strong through it. Incredible. You've just powered through a move that carves your waistline and tightens your belly. Take a few deep breaths in through your nose, out through your mouth. Up next, we're turning up the intensity with a core stability move. Exercise 5, plank step outs. You're crushing it. We've worked your upper abs, lower abs, and sides. Now it's time to strengthen your entire core with one of the best stability moves out there, the plank step out. Come down to your mat and place your forearms flat on the ground, elbows directly under your shoulders. Stretch your legs back so your body forms a straight line from head to heels. Engage your core, pull your belly button in toward your spine. Now step your right foot out to the side, then bring it back in. Switch to your left foot, out and in. Keep alternating side to side. This movement might look simple, but it's powerful. You're working your abs, shoulders, and glutes all at once, building core stability and burning belly fat without any jumping. Keep your hips steady, don't let them sway or drop. Your abs are in control of this move. Breathe deeply, inhale as you step out, exhale as you bring your feet back in. Feel that shake? That's your body getting stronger with every second. You're not just holding a plank, you're challenging your endurance and pushing past your limits. Keep going, right, left. Stay focused. You're more than halfway through this workout. This is where real change begins. Amazing. You just built serious core power and stability. Take a deep breath, roll your shoulders back and get ready to move again. Up next, a dynamic standing move that keeps your heart rate up and your abs tight. Exercise 6, Standing Cross Crunch. You've made it this far, and that means your commitment is stronger than ever. Now it's time to engage your entire core and burn those last bits of fat with a move that combines strength and coordination: the standing cross crunch. Stand tall with your feet shoulder width apart. Place your hands gently behind your head and keep your chest lifted. Now bring your right elbow toward your left knee, crunching across your body. Return to standing, then switch sides, left elbow to right knee. That's it, keep alternating sides in a steady rhythm. Focus on your core doing the work, not just your arms or legs. Feel the twist through your waist as your abs contract with every cross. This move targets your upper abs, lower abs, and obliques all at once while also improving your balance and posture. Keep your movements controlled and deliberate. Don't rush, it's not about speed, it's about power and precision. Breathe out when you crunch, breathe in as you return to center. Feel that burn? That's your body tightening, toning, and transforming. Keep going, elbow to knee, side to side. You're doing amazing. Stay tall, stay strong, and remember why you started. You're not just burning calories, you're building confidence, one rep at a time. Incredible effort, your abs are fully engaged, your heart rate's up, and you're one step closer to your 14-day goal. Exercise 7, Elbow Plank Hold. This is your moment to prove your strength, your discipline, and your focus. We're ending strong with the elbow plank hold, one of the best full core exercises you can do anywhere, anytime. Get down on your mat. Place your elbows directly under your shoulders, forearms flat on the floor. Step your feet back and keep your body in a straight line from head to heels. Now engage your core, pull your belly button toward your spine. Squeeze your glutes, tighten your legs, and hold it. This might look simple, but it's powerful. Every second in this position is building your strength, stability, and endurance. Keep breathing steady and controlled. Inhale through your nose, exhale through your mouth. Don't let your hips drop or rise, keep your body firm like a board. Feel that shake? That's your muscles fighting to stay strong, that's real progress. You're not just holding a plank, you're holding your commitment to yourself. Stay with me halfway there. This is where most people quit, but not you. You started this challenge to see results, and that's exactly what's happening right now. Amazing work. You've completed the final exercise, your core is stronger, your body's tighter, and you're already on your way to burning that belly fat. Take a deep breath, because this is where the transformation truly begins. Exercise 8, Flutter Kicks. You've made it through 7 powerful moves, and now it's time to push your core just a little further. This next exercise is called Flutter Kicks, and it's a serious lower belly fat burner. Lie down on your back, arms by your sides, palms pressing lightly into the mat. Extend both legs straight out. Lift your heels a few inches off the ground and start alternating kicks, one leg up, one leg down, like you're swimming through the air. Keep your movements small and controlled, no jerking or rushing. Feel that tension in your lower abs? That's exactly what we want. This move targets the lower belly pouch, the toughest area to tone. Keep your head and shoulders slightly lifted off the floor if you can, this intensifies the burn. Breathe steady, inhale through your nose, exhale through your mouth. If you start to feel the shake, remember that's strength building. You're burning fat, sculpting muscle, and creating a stronger core. Don't let your legs touch the ground, stay just above it. Every second counts. You've got this. Stay focused, stay consistent. Amazing job. That one was intense, but you just crushed one of the hardest of moves without any jumping or equipment. Take a deep breath, stretch it out, and feel that progress in your core. Exercise 9, Bodyweight Squats. You've pushed through your core, your sides, and your lower abs. Now let's activate your entire body with one of the most powerful fat-burning moves, the bodyweight squat. Stand tall with your feet slightly wider than shoulder width apart. Keep your chest up, shoulders back, and core tight. Now slowly push your hips back like you're sitting down on an invisible chair until your thighs are parallel to the floor. Then press through your heels to stand back up. That's it, smooth, controlled movement. Squats are a full-body powerhouse. They work your legs, glutes, and most importantly your core. Every time you lower and rise, your abs engage to stabilize your body, helping burn more calories and flatten that belly faster. Keep your knees in line with your toes and your weight in your heels. Don't rush, focus on form over speed. Breathe in as you go down, exhale as you rise up. Feel that burn in your thighs? That's your body getting stronger, that's progress. Keep going down, up. You've got this. Stay tall, keep your abs tight, and remember, this isn't just about losing fat, it's about gaining strength and confidence. Amazing work. You just fired up multiple muscle groups at once, boosting your metabolism and helping your body burn fat long after this workout ends. Take a deep breath, you're one move away from your final round. Get ready for exercise 10, standing side bends, the perfect finisher for your abs and waistline. Exercise 10, standing side bends. You've made it to the final exercise. This is where you finish strong. We're ending today's session with standing side bends, a simple but powerful move to shape your waistline and tighten your core from every angle. Stand tall with your feet shoulder width apart. Keep your back straight, chest up and core engaged. Place your right hand on your hip and extend your left arm straight up toward the ceiling. Now slowly bend your body to the right, feeling a deep stretch through your left side. Then return to the center and switch left side bend, stretching your right. Keep alternating sides, nice and controlled. Don't rush this one. Focus on squeezing your side muscles as you bend and using your core to pull yourself back to the center. With every repetition, you're tightening your obliques, burning fat along your waist and sculpting that natural V shape around your midsection. Breathe steadily, exhale as you bend, inhale as you return upright. Keep your body in one plane, no leaning forward or backward. Stay tall, strong and focused. Feel that stretch? That's your waistline tightening, your belly flattening, and your core getting stronger. You've worked hard to get here, don't hold back now. Amazing work. You've completed all 10 exercises of the 14-day Lose Belly Fat Challenge. No equipment, no jumping, just pure determination. Take a deep breath because your transformation is already in motion. Take a deep breath, you did it. You've just completed day 1 of the Lose Belly Fat in 14 Days Home Workout Challenge. I want you to take a moment and truly appreciate what you just accomplished. You didn't quit when it got tough. You didn't give up when your abs started to burn. You stayed, and that's exactly what separates those who dream from those who achieve. Every rep, every second, every drop of sweat, it all mattered. You've started something powerful today, something that will not only transform your body but also strengthen your mindset. Remember, this change doesn't happen in one workout. It happens when you show up every single day, even when you don't feel like it. Your core is stronger now. Your confidence is growing. And your body is already responding, even if you can't see it yet. Stay consistent, trust the process, and you'll be amazed at what you see in just 14 days. Take a progress picture today, because in 2 weeks you'll look back and realize how far you've come. If you felt that burn today, it means you're doing it right. And if you made it till the end, you've already won half the battle. I want you to comment below day 1 done. So I know you're in this challenge with me. I'll be cheering for you every step of the way. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button, tap the bell icon, and join our amazing fitness community, because we're in this together. Tomorrow we'll move to day 2, where we'll build on what we started today: more core activation, more strength, and even better results. And remember, this journey isn't about perfection, it's about consistency. Every day you show up, you're rewriting your story. So stand tall. Smile. You're stronger than you were 10 minutes ago, and that strength will only grow from here. You've taken the first step toward a healthier, fitter, and more confident you, and that deserves to be celebrated. Great work today. I'm proud of you. I'll see you tomorrow for day 2 of the Lose Belly Fat in 14 Days Challenge. Until then, stay focused, stay strong, and never stop believing in yourself.